Hi and welcome. In this short video, we're going to show you how to handle broker updates. If a broker has already submitted a deal to you in LinkLender, and then they decide that they would like to change the details, modify or remove something from that deal, you will see it come into your work queue and you will be notified by email that there is an update that requires your review. So the task that will pop up is review update, and we can click select and drop into this file. The easiest way to see exactly what has been modified is to click the view update button. The first tab that you see here shows the broker's proposed new application, but if you click on the second tab called amendment details, you will notice any fields that have been modified will be highlighted. A pink or red highlight means the broker is proposing to remove this information. A yellow highlight would mean that the broker was proposing to change this information, and blue highlight means new information is being added to this application. So you can scroll through and see exactly what they are proposing to add, remove, or edit from the original submission. And when you reach the bottom, you can choose to accept or decline this change. If you accept, then the next time you click on the application form, the newly updated information is what will be visible. The complete application will be updated based on the update that you have accepted. It is important to manually mark the review update task as complete. Otherwise, it will remain on your work queue forever, and it makes it more difficult to know what are new tasks that need to be worked on. Thanks for watching. Please look for our phone numbers at newton.ca if you need any help from our customer care team.